before the video starts, I want to tell you that the audio might not be perfectly in sync because the clip of me opening the alpha packs is an Xbox game clip, and I couldn't, because I don't have a capture card, so I can't record my voice. So I just used my phone and extracted the audio from the video and put it into this editing. So yeah, it might not be perfectly in sync. What's up? We're gonna do some alpha pack openings. We got 21. Alright, let's see. Purple, ooh, purple. Ooh, sweet, a universal weapon skin, nice. Let's see. Oh, common. Super 90, yeah, it's not that good. Ooh, legendary, let's go. Oh, that's sick, that's sick. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, jeez. Uncommon. Oh, that's not that cool. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Blitz, shield skin, nice. It's cool. Don't have a shield skin yet. Ice. Could've gave me black ice. Nice. Charm. Ooh, purple. Let's go! Let's go! Second black ice, let's go! The first one's Buck DMR. I already have the, oh wait, no, that's not the toy skin. Purple, okay. Oh, I really like that skin, that's a nice skin. Ooh. That's actually a nice charm. Ooh, purple. Black ice. Okay, not bad. I swear I already have that skin. I swear I have that. Okay, that one I know for sure. Okay, black ice. Okay, I already have the uniform, so that's nice. Okay. He looks like a nerd. 4 more. Okay, well, at least I have a Monty skin now. Be something good. Okay, that wasn't really that good, but... Another blue. Oh, sweet, a communist headgear. Black ice. Oh, I mean, I already have the one for Cav's gun, but... Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Yeah, the audio might not be perfectly in sync, but yeah.